Okay, so continuing with the previous questions. So tell me why you think that you are fit for police service. What qualities you have which you think that is fit for police service? Give me some specific qualities.
Sir, I have some specific qualities, like I am a team player, so that I can work with my subordinate as well also, and my higher authority also, and with the public also. And my second quality is that my father is in CRPF. So since the childhood I have seen the uniformity, and it is very looks like very fit job for me. So these are the points, so that I think I am fit for the job. And I have also done my BTech in computer science, so that sir I am very good at cyber crime or cyber crime related FIR.
Okay, so since you are talking about cyber crime, tell me at least 3 different types of cyber crime which is happening nowadays.
Sir, there are so many types of cyber crime, but the serious one is ATM fraud. The second one is online stalking or online threatening, and the third one is phishing or vishing.
Okay. So you said that your hobby was
Sir, playing rugby is my hobby.
one hobby only.
Okay, sir.
Famous rugby players, international, national, and in Odisha also, if you can tell me names of some famous rugby players.
So currently the number one world rugby player is Semi Radradra, and he is from Fiji. And the second one is Bowden Barrett, and he is from New Zealand. Then Owen Farrell, and he is from Australia. And Cristiano Liliofano is from Australia. And then Sonny Bill Williamson, he is from New Zealand. And Kieran Reid, he is from New Zealand. Richie Macau, he is from New Zealand. Jonah Lomu is from New Zealand. Then sir, from India, Nasir Hussain is the captain of India. And second one is Deepak Punia. Third one is Mukud Mankadia. And some of the Odisha rugby players name is Muna Murmu, and he also represent India also. And Shehnawaz Ahmed, and the captain is currently now Vikrant Raut.
Okay.
Hello.
Okay. So that will be the end of the interview. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
So आपनकर पॉजिटिव कोन आपनकर बॉडी पोजीशन हैंड पोजीशन एरा सब ठीक अछि परफेक्ट अछि ना आई कांटेक्ट भी भलो अछि
Sir.
किंतु आपण सीरियसली कहउछन राइट
Okay, sir.
स्माइल ता सेटा टिके देखिबे
Sir.
आज जेते बडे जिबे टिके मिरर इंटरव्यू जेते करूछन
Sir.
स्माइल ता देखिबे बाकी सब गेस्चर पोस्चर ए सब ठीक अछि
Sir.
चला सेम बाटका बेसी सीरियस आपण हेले से माने से सीरियस है ठीक है
Okay, sir.
हां तेणु ସେଇଟା ଗୋଟିଏ ଜିନିଷ ମୋତେ କହିବାର ଅଛି ଅଦରୱାଇଜ୍ ଇଟ୍ସ ଅଲ୍ ଫାଇନ୍ ଠିକ୍ ଅଛି
Sir. Sir, ରଖିଦେବି ଏଇଟା, sir. ଛାଡ଼ିଦେବି।